Technology component defects can range from mildly inconvenient to hugely catastrophic. For that reason, component product inspection is absolutely crucial. Crucial, but also tedious. Inspection takes hours of valuable time from engineers, and over time, the microscopes used can put incredible strain on their eyes. Emily Zhang, a TE connectivity engineering leader in China, knew there had to be a better way. She and her team set out to find it. Combining their expertise as mechanical, electrical, and software engineers, they developed an AI-enabled microscope that can work 20 times faster and more accurately than the previous inspection system. In addition to preventing eye strain, these microscopes freed up engineers to spend more time developing concepts and creating new innovations. Today, this innovation is working in many TE connectivity plants around the world, and they're just getting started. Together, Emily and her team connected AI learning to product inspection to create a safer and more productive world.